Hello GDM family. Let's take a few minutes to review when GDM would be primary or secondary during an eligible event. I'll go over several scenarios, but first, let's start with a quick overview of the different types of auto insurance. Understanding these distinctions will help clarify how GDM applies in various situations. Liability insurance coverage pays for damages you cause to others in an accident and is required by law. If you're at fault, you must file a claim with your liability insurance provider, as GDM only protects your vehicle. First-party insurance, also known as comprehensive collision and uninsured motorist property damage, covers damage to your own vehicle. This coverage is optional unless you are financing or leasing a vehicle, in which case your finance or lease agreement will require you to maintain first-party coverage through your insurance provider. If you're a GDM member with active first-party coverage through your insurance provider, GDM acts as secondary for eligible events. This means you need to file a claim with your insurance provider first before reporting to GDM. In most situations, your insurance carrier will handle your loss and restore you to pre-loss condition. If for any reason there is still a financial deficit, GDM will determine what part of that deficit may qualify as an eligible event. Some items to consider will be if you have a high deductible with your insurance carrier and a low out-of-pocket with GDM. Also, if you do not have rental assistance through your insurance carrier, you can go through GDM for your transportation assistance. If you have an accident with another party and the other party is at fault, you must file a claim with the at-fault party's insurance carrier. In states where no fault insurance exists, GDM will be primary even if the other party is at fault. In most situations, the other insurance carrier will take care of everything in the states that do not have no fault insurance. If for any reason you still have a financial deficit from the loss, you can report your loss to GDM and we will determine what part of the deficit may qualify as an eligible event. In summary, if you have GDM and carry only liability insurance with your insurance company, GDM will be primary for damages to your vehicle. You will have to pay your remaining pledge balance and out-of-pocket before the GDM community will share in the loss. If you damaged another vehicle or harmed another person, you have to file a liability claim with your insurance company for their damages. If you have first-party coverage with your own carrier, GDM will be secondary. If you have an accident and the other person is fault, with the exception of the no-fault states, you must file a claim with the at-fault person's insurance company. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and opinions and for being a valuable member of the GDM family.